Jandiko e mbui Ndiang'ui Kinyagla mane familia mare olando ni olal koro ndalo 13 kata kuom ndalo 13 mokalo yudore kendo chopo e doho ma Milimani. Dakika matin motelo ne jatendo kwach kich Mohamed Amin chopo e doho mar chiwo ler kama entiere. Amin nyiso jang'ad buche Chacha Mwita ni ne ok gindhiyo kata mako Ndiang'ui.
Grant the family and myself, they have all met in court when I was meeting him, to grant time.
My Lord, we are happy and relieved that the second petitioner is in court and appears well, but there are procedural issues of compliance, which I believe we can proceed with still, now that the DCI is here.
I am reading this in line with what was found in by your brother Justice Mugambi in petition E436 of 2024 and your brother Mwamuye in E0714 of 2024, that orders of the court are not pious orders. They have to be complied with.
And I believe it is only fair that we deal with this motion, my Lord, before we consider any other oral application, my Lord. I believe that you're coming for directions, my Lord, so you can give directions on the hearing, so that we conclude with these interlocutory applications, my Lord.
The family has requested to have a conversation with the second petition. I have parties who want to keep us here. We want to hear the DCI. Mr. Bitter says they were not treated well. He will tell us. The other side wants to cross-examine the DCI. So how do we proceed?